Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man, and we back in this motherfucker. And today, we picking up in MURFREESBORO, Tennessee. We heading to SHELBYVILLE, Indiana, baby. Ride with your boy. Come on, don't be scared, man.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the...
Alright, the time is currently 3:44. Right now, we just going around doing our pre-trip. We can just pull straight out. We get back in the truck, checking my tires and everything. What the hell? What the hell is this? Cat litter. Damn, somebody dumped everything. Somebody dumped everything out their truck, man. Damn. Let me open my trailer, man. Make sure they ain't put none of this shit in my trailer. Shit. Okay. Alright, trailer good. Let's roll, baby. Let's cut our tablet on. Let me cut these 4 ways off for a minute. Put our location in where we going. We're heading to MURFREESBORO, Tennessee. Heritage Farm, Gary, MURFREESBORO. See, the pink route gonna always be the quickest. 3 hours and 35, 5 hours. Which one y'all think we gonna choose? We take this old stupid old tag down. $15 parking, y'all. We got a 623 ETA. We're currently at the Fairburn Family Travel Center. Let's roll. It's a good thing we left out so soon too, because trying to beat this Atlanta traffic, boy. If you know, you know. Good morning. How you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I have 61838. It's empty. What state is the trailer from? Georgia. Forest Park, Georgia. Okay. Alright, y'all. So we just got checked in. Wait, she finna go do something. She gonna give us the information, direction, what we need. We gonna drop this empty and pick up our loaded, baby. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we just dropped our empty to pick up our loaded trailer. We picking R223 right here in front of us. So hook up to this bad boy, get on up this road, baby. Trailer lights check out, everything check out. ID town. I'm gonna finish this paperwork up. We're gonna be on our way. I just thought about something too. About time for me to take a 30-minute break. Just lock on the back of this trailer. You gotta secure the bag, man. Gotta secure the bag, baby. This little motherfucker heavy, boy. You can mind work out with this job. Go secure this bag, baby. Got my co-worker in front of me. Look like they checking out. I'm about to do the same. We about 5 hours away from the drop off. We heading back to Indiana. We're currently in MURFREESBORO, Tennessee. We got like roughly, I say, cause I gotta stop and get some fuel too. Well, not for the truck, but I gotta put some reefer fluid in my reefer thing. We're finna check out real fast. Get y'all on the road, baby. Peace. We good? Okay. Me back, y'all. I'm gonna go slide these cameras.
Turn the boat and gate.
Okay.
Dropping everything.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
It's gonna be oh, okay. Did you have one, right?
I got both POs for you.
I'm talking about, do you have a copy that you need?
Yeah, I got one I need.
Okay, cool. All right, thank you so much. Hey, what? Are you an empty inspector also? Are you an empty inspector also? And I'm dropping this in out, right?
Yeah, you're not picking up a load?
No, I just need an empty.
Still need to check the quick load.
Okay, cool. All right. Hey, how you doing? I'm good. They want me to drop this in A2, but there's no spots up there. It's like on the side. It's a Kroger trailer right there at the very front on the right. It's a spot beside them. Yes, sir. Bag it in this. Which one? Yeah. On the outside here? Hold on, let me get out and see. Okay. Alright, okay. Thank you. Alright, y'all. We about to drop this trailer. And man, we done made the money. We done made the money, man. Once we drop it, we done made the money. So money has been made, trip has been made. I want to appreciate everybody who will ride with your boy, you know what I'm saying? And man, y'all stay safe out there, baby. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man. We out this motherfucker. Peace.